नमस्ते। मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुई धागा इंदौर से। आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं इंडिगो कलेक्शन। मैं आपको सारी चीज़ें एक एक करके दिखाने वाली हूँ, जो सब कुछ है हमारे पास इंडिगो में। लेट मी स्टार्ट विथ इंडिगो प्योर जॉर्जेट लॉन्ग जैकेट कम शर्ट कम कुर्ती, द वे यू वांट टू यूज़ आप इसको वैसे पहन सकते हैं। इट्स अ प्योर जॉर्जेट इंडिगो विद अ एम्ब्रॉयडरी and side pockets, and it has a front open flap, and this is for 2500. Then we have another A line kurti on indigo. It's a designer piece with wooden parrot work on it, side slit cut like this, and this is for 1500. Then we have regular kurti on indigo. It has a hand work on full yoke, and we have this work on 3 different colors: yellow, red and orange. And we have sizes in this kurti, and it's a regular wear kurti just for 1250. It's a designer kurti on cotton rayon with a booty work, short sleeves. This is for 1250. It's a beautiful different neckline with a frill pattern on polka dots. This is for 1500. These are different patterns I'm showing you. If you like any pattern, you want some different prints, so we can customize as per your choice also. So these are few different patterns that I'm showing you. This is again a regular wear kurti of indigo with a different neckline. This is called triangle kangure pattern, and this kurti is just for 850. We do have all the sizes in it from 38 to 48, and so many prints are available. We'll share you the pictures of all the prints so you can have a look. These are very nice, very smart kurtis, straight fit for 850. Then again the same pattern we have just changed the neckline of this kurti. You can see it has a border of ajrak print and on sleeves also. And in this kurti also we have more prints, so you can ask for more prints. Then we talk about the frock patterns. So this is one of my favorite. You can say it's very comfortable. You can wear for the whole day at your home, office wear also. You can go out for your small shopping purpose, for picnics. So it's a multi-use frock and very comfortable. It's a soft cotton, and this is just for 1500. Then we have a cotton rayon, very basic regular wear kurti just for 850. Sizes are available. Then it's a shrug style open kurti, you can say. It has a long slit open. This is just for 1250. Then another pattern in shrug. It's on cotton rayons shrug. It's open, the stand collar, and this is for 1450. If you like this pattern and you don't like the print, then we have print option also that I'll show you in the end, so we can customize as per your requirement. Then sorry, I have shown you this. Then I'll show you the top options that we have. This is one. This is just for 850. Then another pattern with 3/4 sleeves, and this is for just 850. Then we have one long dress. It's a inner, and it has a long kurti, white color long kurti with it, and this is for 1500. Then we have some short jacket on indigo. It's for 1250. Then I'll start with few of collections of blouses we do have on indigo. This is for 950, and this is also for 950. These two different prints we have ready available. Then it's a beautiful designer piece on Dapu. has got a work on the neckline as well on sleeves, and this blouse is for 1150. Then we have few crop tops come blouses, you can say, which you can wear with your skirts, with your blouse, sarees, with your denims. Like if I'll wear this also, with this it will look very nice. See, you can see. Then one of more style in crop top come blouses. It's very in and it's look very trendy, and this is for 1150. Then we have crop top in frill styles. So the beauty of this frill top, it's like it आपकी टमी थोड़ी सी हाइट कर लेती है. इट्स लाइक वी आर लिटिल बिट कॉन्शियस के टमी है तो दिख रही है. सो दिस पैटर्न इट्स लाइक समथिंग पीपल लव टू वेयर विथ स्कर्ट्स, विथ साड़ीज. Like you can see, if you wear it with skirt also, it will look very nice. So this is one print. Then we have multi patches of frill print also, so you can have a look on. These are the multi patches of indigo we have used. It's look very trendy and very smart. See, then I'll show you all the options we have on skirts. Like you can see the one I am wearing, it has a mirror work done on the bottom. At the bottom, see, it has beautiful mirror work. So I have teamed up this skirt with my regular polka dot blouse and a beautiful cotton dupatta of indigo. It has a work, embroidery work. So I'll show you all the options of skirts. So this is one print. We have more prints on these skirts. I'll show you one by one. So this is another print. And this is the one more print we have. These skirts are just for 1200 each. You can team up these skirts with your kurtis also. It's look very nice. Like these skirts with this regular wear kurtis I have shown you. So you can team up the prints, or I can choose for you. So these are the few options of the skirts. And the like dupatta I am carrying, I have few options in dupattas also. So I'll show you more options on dupattas. So this is the first one. It has a mirror work as well as fabric tassels. Then we have second option, sorry. It has a work of rani color and a tassels also. So these are the two options on the dupattas. Then the skirt, we have one, this crushed skirt also on indigo, and it's for 1500. Then I'll show you the pants. These are the regular wear pants, just for 850 each. So there are few prints options available in the pants. Then we have few plazos also. Super comfortable, easy to carry indigo plazos, just for 850 each. In this also we have few different prints. I'll show you each and every one. So these are the few different prints you can see. So these are the options on the plazos. Then we have few more stoles come dupattas, you can say, on pure cotton, and this is for 1250. Stripes both the side, no work, nothing. So this is the one option. It's very pretty with the red color tassels. Then it's on Chanderi cotton. It has a magenta color. Tassels at the end as well as on the whole body of the scarf. Then these are the few designer sarees we got ready on Linen cotton, sorry, Kota cotton, and we have done this beautiful cut work on it, you can see, and the mirror work on the pallu with fabric tassels, you can see. And this sari has its own blouse. I'll show you the print of this blouse. This is the print of the blouse. As well, you will get the contrast extra blouse also with this. It's a beautiful piece, and this is for 3000. I have one more option on this, on the same concept, so I'll show you. This pallu, you can see the pallu. It's a beautiful triangles work done and a mirror work on the whole pallu with fabric tassels. Then again you will have the same matching extra blouse with it, and this is also for 3000. Then one beautiful Kota cotton sari with a silver border on it and a blouse piece with it. It's a very simple regular wear sari, just for 1500. Then last but not the least, one of my favorite Chanderi kurta, which we have customized yesterday only. So it's on pure Chanderi. It's perfect for your office wear. And last but not the least, the collection of the indigo fabric. So you can choose your print, you can choose your product, your design as per your requirement, and will customize for you. So these are the few different options in the indigo prints that we have. So you can choose and you can order us. So guys, hope you like the collection. Give your feedbacks, your suggestions, which are always welcome. Thank you so much.